Good day everyone. This is a project proposal on a reverse vending machine we called Wise Recycle Bin. I am AJ and I am a zero waste advocate. For us engineers here, we are familiar with the laws of thermodynamics, and according to its second law, the total entropy of an isolated system can never decrease over time. In other words, all things are bound to disorder. According to National Solid Waste Management Commission, from 14.66 million metric tons of waste produced in 2014, the country will produce 16.63 million metric tons in 2020 alone, or a 13.44% increase. It can actually fill up 99 Philippine arenas. Can you imagine that? Based on 2018 data, the Philippines is the third largest generator of solid waste per year among Southeast Asian countries, with only Thailand and Indonesia producing more. Some of the top trash in the country are sachets and plastic bottles. Here is our solution. Wise Recycle Bin shall be utilized to encourage members of the community to properly dispose of their plastic bottles and cans. Instead of giving back money, this RVM is designed to provide certain minutes of charging time for the user's devices, for example, cell phones. The machine is divided into four major parts. The solar power system supplies the whole system. The input stage involves the proximity sensors. The process stage consists of the microcontroller unit, and the output stage gives the incentive to the user. In a global context, a much high-end technology is already offered among RVMs. Wise Recycle Bin offers a fundamentally similar technology with a low-cost design. In Alibaba, RVMs can range from 8,000 to 25,000 US dollars. Meanwhile, it is approximately only 500 US dollars to make one Wise Recycle Bin. Here in Table 1, samples A to E are successful since those are within the range accepted. Sample F as a random material is expected to be not accepted since it is not within the preset values in the program. However, sample G, a random material 2, is accepted by the RVM since its diameter is within the range. So please note that this RVM lacks material recognition. What we can do is to place this machine near a barangay center to proper handling.
Ako po si Renzo. Ngayon, tatry ko po ngayon yung Wise Recycle Bin na ginawa ng 50. Kasi doon nila to eh. Na, step 1, connect your mobile phone. Ito daw. Dito, hanapin ko yung ano. Hanapin ko kung saan compatible yung phone ko. Dami. Ano yun? Yun, shoot! Wala pa, ayaw. Drop empty bottle. Empty ba to? Empty nga, empty. Hindi ko na siya charge your phone for 5 minutes. Charge ba? Yun. Charge na siya. Bale, yung feedback ko dito sa thesis na to, maganda siya kasi sa tingin ko sa edad ko ngayon, lahat ng mga estudyante curious kung anong meron dito. Tsaka may iwasan yung kalat kapag ginamit nila to kasi, uy, ang galing.
Before I end this, I'll leave to you this quote. Convenience at the expense of the environment is not convenience at all. Thank you.